Like I'm about to rob a store.
That's how life is right now. What's up, guys? We're over here at Andrew's place. Today we're gonna be getting some driving impressions of his new Dream Evo from Parth.
Green?
Dream. I did drive it earlier, but you know, my impressions are less interesting because
Pussyfoot.
Exactly. I am uncomfortable driving other people's cars, especially if it's Andrew's dream car. You know, Andrew and I have grown up together, and I have a tendency to break all his things.
Oh, good.
So
That's surprised he let you drive it.
yeah, so me driving was like, oh no, yeah, it's real fast, man, it's cool. So right now we're gonna get Parth to drive it, and he's gonna have much more interesting impressions, I guess.
We'll see.
Plus Parth talks a lot more, so.
Okay, well, I'll shut up then, I guess.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Well, I'm driving the Evo. It's Andrew's
back.
baby, so I'm gonna first learn how it drives a little bit. Here's one thing I'll tell you right away. There's more of a connection in the road in this car than it is for my car.
Really?
The
Steering, or is it like
the whole feel itself. The car, the steering's real nice, dude. It feels like it's such a planted car.
when I was driving it, he was like going through corners. He was like, "Give me more gas. Just keep giving it more gas." And I was like, "Are you sure?"
Oh yeah. You gotta get a blow-off valve and a loud as shit exhaust. Well, dude, this car's fun. This car's a lot of fun. Even though maybe lighter, I mean it's a lot lighter than my car for sure.
Yeah.
But it's less power, but it's fine. It doesn't feel any less slower. Like I'm driving right now and it definitely feels like it has a lot more to give. Through the corners, with the power, everything. It's like this car can definitely handle a lot more.
Next test drive on gravel.
Yeah, is it a good rally car?
Not in its current setup.
It's a fun car. It's a fast car. It's a car that it doesn't seem like, you know, at first, okay, yeah, 300 some horsepower, whatever. And it's like, yeah, it definitely, maybe more. You know, it definitely goes. The steering is fantastic. I really like the steering a lot. And fun car. Andrew needs a nice exhaust on this. I keep driving these Japanese cars after driving mine, and I'm like, I miss that visceral feel of it. Like you feel everything on the road, you feel everything on the steering wheel. Cars making all sorts of boost noises that just sound fantastic. And yeah, man, I see why you like this car. I kind of really want one now.
We're converting him to the JDM level.
Yeah, I mean, I'm down.
Well, so yeah, there was the driving impressions. What do you think?
It's a nice car. I would want one. Yeah. It's definitely a car I wouldn't mind having. Like, it's fun. And it's Japanese, so you can do a lot of shit to it.
Without it blowing up.
Yeah.
And by yourself.
And by yourself.
Without breaking the bank.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, man. That's the conclusion. Andrew bought a cool car.
Yes, he did.
Good job, man.
He did good.
All right.
Bye.
Yeah, subscribe. Do stuff. Thanks for watching. He's outside.